Hey everyone! Looking for the best blender under $100 that actually performs like a premium model? In today's video, I'm testing and reviewing the top 6 best budget blenders for smoothies, frozen drinks, protein shakes, and everyday kitchen use. Whether you're a fitness fan, home cook, or tech lover, these affordable blenders deliver impressive power without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know about the latest prices and more product information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews. Product number 1. Koyo Smoothie Blender 1000 Watt. The Koyo Smoothie Blender 1000 Watt is one of the best budget-friendly blenders for anyone who loves smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. With its powerful 1000-watt motor, this blender easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and vegetables in seconds. I really like how compact and lightweight it is, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or gym enthusiasts who need quick blending performance every day. This blender comes with portable blending cups, which makes it super convenient for busy lifestyles. You can blend your smoothie directly in the travel bottle and take it with you immediately. The stainless steel blades are durable and designed for smooth blending results every time. It's also very easy to clean, which is a huge plus for daily use. If you're searching for the best personal blender under $100 with strong performance and portability, the Koyo Smoothie Blender 1000 Watt is definitely worth considering. Product number 2. Black & Decker Crushmaster Blender. The Black & Decker Crushmaster Blender is a reliable and affordable option for anyone looking for simple but effective blending performance. Powered with multi-level stainless steel blades, this blender handles smoothies, sauces, soups, and crushed ice surprisingly well for its price range. I love its classic design and easy-to-use controls, making it ideal for beginners and casual home cooks. One standout feature is the 6-cup glass jar, which feels durable and premium compared to many plastic alternatives. The blender offers multiple speed settings that give you better control while blending different ingredients. Whether you're preparing protein shakes, frozen drinks, or homemade salsa, it delivers smooth consistency quickly. Cleanup is also easy because many parts are dishwasher safe. For anyone wanting a dependable blender under $100 for daily kitchen tasks, the Black & Decker Crushmaster Blender offers great value and practical performance without unnecessary complexity. Product number 3. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 blender is one of the most powerful and versatile blenders you can buy under $100. Featuring a strong 1200-watt motor and smart blending technology, this blender can handle ice crushing, smoothie making, food processing, frozen drinks effortlessly. I personally think it performs close to premium blenders that cost much more. Its dual-direction blade technology helps ingredients blend faster and more evenly. The extra-wide blade system improves consistency, especially when blending frozen fruits or thick ingredients. The blender also includes pre-programmed settings for smoothies, salsa, and milkshakes, making operation incredibly simple. Another thing I appreciate is the durable glass jar and sturdy build quality. It feels reliable for long-term kitchen use. If you want a high-performance blender under $100 that combines power, durability, and versatility, the Oster Pro 1200 blender is one of the best choices available right now. Product number 4. Iato Blenders for Kitchen. The Iato Blender for Kitchen is designed for people who want professional-level blending power at an affordable price. Equipped with a high-speed motor and large-capacity pitcher, this blender is excellent for large families, meal prep, smoothies, frozen drinks, and even soup making. I really like its modern design and strong blending performance. This blender can easily crush ice and blend hard ingredients into silky smooth textures. The sharp stainless steel blades rotate at high speed to create consistent results every time. The large jar is especially useful for preparing multiple servings at once, which is great for families or fitness enthusiasts. It also includes multiple speed settings and pulse controls for better blending precision. Despite its strong power, the controls remain simple and beginner-friendly. If you need a versatile countertop blender under $100 that can handle heavy-duty blending tasks, the Iato blender is an excellent option. Product number 5. Koyo Smoothie Blender Personal Mixer.
The KO Smoothie Blender Personal Mixer is another fantastic option for anyone focused on convenience, portability, and healthy living. This compact blender is perfect for making smoothies, protein shakes, baby food, and frozen drinks quickly and efficiently. I love how easy it is to use, especially for busy mornings. Its high-speed motor and stainless steel blades provide smooth blending performance while maintaining a compact design. The included travel cups are leak-proof and easy to carry, making this blender ideal for gym goers, office workers, and students. It's also very quiet compared to many larger blenders. One of the best things about this blender is its space-saving size. It doesn't take up much counter space, yet still delivers impressive blending power. If you're searching for the best portable smoothie blender under $100, the KO Smoothie Blender Personal Mixer is definitely worth adding to your list.
Product number 6. Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender. The Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender stands out with its powerful blending system and stylish modern design. This blender is built for serious smoothie lovers and home cooks who want smooth blending performance without spending premium money. I was impressed by how quickly it crushes ice and blends frozen ingredients into creamy textures. The high-powered motor works efficiently for smoothies, soups, sauces, and protein shakes. It also includes multiple speed controls that allow better customization depending on the recipe. The large pitcher size makes it suitable for family servings or meal prepping. Another feature I appreciate is the sturdy construction and easy clean design. The controls are simple, and the blender feels solid during operation. For anyone looking for a high-performance countertop blender under $100 with strong blending power and sleek aesthetics, the Chefman Obliterator blender is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. Thanks for watching my top 6 best blenders under $100 review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect blender for your kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices and details.